Why are your store not off work?
My customer needs to do some high pressure work with our CNC router, but he found the sample cutting edge and surface not vertical. It has angle error during running.
How to solve it?
I think the vertical angle of the spindle needs to be adjusted. Let me show you how to do it. Steps to adjust the vertical angle of the spindle. First, turn on the machine and return to the machine origin. Third, press the Tab key on the keyboard and adjust the movement rate about 30%. Third, move the spindle to the top of the plate slowly and lower the Z-axis until it is close to the plate. Fourth, start the spindle and drop the Z-axis slowly. Engraving depth is around 1 mm. Fifth, move the X-axis, move 5 cm. Then move the Y-axis. The moving distance is 2 radius, and then the X-axis moves in the opposite direction. Move 4 to 5 times cautiously. Sixth, move the Y-axis, move 5 cm. Then move the X-axis. The moving distance is 2 radius, and then the Y-axis moves in the opposite direction. Move 4 to 5 times cautiously. Seventh, check whether to run smoothly on the plane. Eighth, loosen the spindle, fixing screws. 3 screws loose 1.5 turns. 1 screw loose 1 turn. Ninth, if the front and back directions are not flat, use a thin copper sheet of appropriate thickness to pad the back of the spindle. If the left and the right directions are not flat, adjust the main axis on which side of the flat plate is recessed. The adjustment sequence is the front and back direction, and then the left and right direction. And finally, tighten the screws. The above is the complete solution step. At the end of the video, let me ask you one question. If the inverter is powered, other parts are normal, then how can we solve it? Welcome everyone, leave your views in the comment area. We will explain this issue in the next tutorial video. See you next time.